Here comes another one. Here, you gotta hurry. You gotta keep doing it. Look at the truck. Here it comes. Oh, he got a little one. He did a little one. He gave you a little one. He didn't do it real loud.
1, 2, 3, 4. Honk, honk, honk your horn.
Here comes another one. Here comes the one from this way. Oh, here comes another one. Here comes the school bus. Okay, stay back, guys. Carol, get back here. The bus is coming. Come on.
My hair's probably messy.
Okay. Wait for the doors to open. Say hug. Ah, love you. Have fun.